With the new Minecraft launcher, many people will experience a problem with their installations not transferring over. So as you can see, in my regular Minecraft launcher, I have all my installations. But when I go to the new Minecraft launcher, they're all gone. So to fix this, you go to your .minecraft, which you can do. I believe in it. You gotta rename all of the launcher accounts to the Microsoft Store versions because it's the Microsoft Store version for the new launcher. So you just like rename and copy and delete this one, and then add that, and you should do that for all of these. And then once you have them all renamed, you can get out of your .minecraft and then go back to your new Minecraft launcher, and then all of your installations will be there. Bye bye.